Fired up? Ready to go? Ready to go!
This is 15. This is 14. Here's what it's like to volunteer at Rebuilding Together NYC.
You can do this. Now you're the expert. The student has become the teacher. Right?
2 3/4.
This project is incredibly exciting to us because we're bringing together 3 different aspects of the work that we do in one home. So we're providing free critical home repairs for a veteran homeowner and his family. We're also providing accessibility modifications so that he can get his wheelchair in and out of this back room that we're adding on to the home. And while we're doing all that work, we're using the work in this home for our workforce training participants to learn necessary job skills that will help them get jobs in construction.
I come out the door every morning about this far off the bed. I do. I am so lucky that I got to find something in my life that I get to believe so firmly in.
Folks, Mrs. Gaiman, she is one of the 2 homeowners and is hosting us here, and we're so excited to be here helping out.
And I appreciate every last one. Yes, you do. Every last one of y'all. I appreciate it very much.
Well, it's mutual.
Good. One hand wash the other and both wash face?
Exactly.